Okay, guys, we're here today feeding them. Look at this. Check him out. Very cool. Oh, he dipped. He dipped. One of the freaking geese hit my pinky. I think he broke it. Damn it. Let me see. There's some blueberries out there. Very cool. Bye. Here's Blue. He came over.
Hi, Blue Blue.
For his daily nosiness. Now he's fishing.
Who's over here hissing? You knock it off.
Yeah.
What are you hissing about?
Some guys are way nasty, man. There's some nasty babies over here that are new and they need to leave. Mama ducks.
You go fishing.
Mama ducks. That baby right there. Look, going after the ducks, going after, you know, it's just enough already.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah. There's Blue. Blue, Blue.
Blue, 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 blue.
Blue. Okay, later. Oh, we got
Killdeer.
killdeers.